Hey guys, welcome back to Yalan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Wix Bookings. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you start using Wix Bookings here? Well, the first thing you want to do here is want to access your website here. And what we need to do next is we need to actually access the actual editor. So let's go ahead and switch over to our editor. So once now in your editor, what we need to do is we need to go to the left panel here. You want to go ahead and click on Add Apps. Now, from here, we want to go ahead and go to App Markets, and you want to go to Search Apps here, and then when you want to type in the following, which is going to be Bookings. Now, in here, you should be able to see Wix Bookings. Let's go ahead and click on it, and we want to go ahead and basically start adding this to our site. Let's go and click on Add to Site, and from here, let's just wait for it to completely be added into our site. Now, this might take a while, so in this case, just wait for it, and once you've done that, you should now have Wix Bookings in your site. Now, in this case, it will automatically add a section here, which in this case show different services or bookings that you could or people could actually use for your site. In this case, for you to manage this, you could go to your My Business section, and you want to go to My Wix Bookings here. And in this case, you could go and create your services, set up your work hours, and connect your payment methods. In this case, for example, maybe we want to manage our services. Let's go and click on Manage Services here. And this will actually redirect you to your dashboard, which in this case allows you to basically add or start adding your services. So there are going to be a lot of services that you could basically add here. So we have classes, course, you have appointments, but you could basically start from scratch if you want to. Now, in this case, if you start from scratch here, you need to add the service name, the tagline, description, the duration of the actual service, and some price and payment here. So the price type may be fixed or varied prices, or different cost and price here if you want to. And you have the payment preference here, so entire amount or entire amount in person, entire amount either online or in person, or online deposit or rest in person. They also have the option to basically indicate the location of this specific service. So you also have the option to select or assign staff in here. So if you want to add your staff, you go and click on Create New Staff here. Just basically add them and basically tag them or add them to the specific service. Now, in this case, you can go and click on Show Service Availability if you want to see that. And you also have resources, add some images or cover image for your service here to attract more, in this case, more people to your service if you want to. Also have the option to add service gallery here, some promotional photos or even videos. So in this case, you can go add them. I also have the booking preference here if you want to edit that, like for example, default policy, the booking form here as well. So yeah. So in this case, going back, let's go and exit this one. So you could also add new service via the option that you see there, add service. So again, you should have the option to add your service. Also have the add bookings element, so you can go and click on this one and basically add different sections for your service. So for example, if this is not enough, or for example you've actually deleted this accidentally from your site, you could basically re-add them into your site again. So in this case, you go and click on the service. Let's go and go back to My Business here, and we want to go to Wix Bookings here, and you want to go click on Add Booking Elements. And again, you could add your featured service. So if you want to, let's go add this one as an example. And in this case, I would suggest you to first add a section first, so that it's not going to be that crowded in here. And from here, let's go ahead and do the same thing. My Business, My Wix Bookings, and click on Add Booking Elements. And we want to add a element here for the featured service. Now in this case, you could go and add this. Just click on Manage Service here. And in this case, you could change a few things on your service, like what we did before. So yeah. So in this case, you could also click on Settings here to edit the service widget here. So you could choose the services. You can manage your service here, add your first service. You can change the layout of this specific element. You should change the display, the text and design if you want to. But yeah. So in My Business section here and under Wix Bookings, you also have the option to manage bookings page. So in this case, you can manage the book online, the service page itself, the booking calendar, or booking form. So if you click one of them, you should actually redirect you to that specific page. And if you want to edit that specific service page, you can go ahead and do that. And in this case, that's about it. So those are the basics here on how to use Wix Bookings, and you should be good. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yalan app. Thank you for watching.